Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you my favorite recipe of strudel with apples and cherries.
For this recipe you will need 300 grams of frozen cherries, 50 grams of crackers, 2 small-sized apples and a puff pastry. In my case, I purchased it from the supermarket. Now we will prepare our apples. You need to cut the middle of the apples out, and then you need to cut your apples on small pieces and green crackers. And then move the cherries. You need to boil them using 200 milliliters of water and 1 dessert spoon of sugar. Boil them on a small fire about 5 minutes. Then leave boiled cherries for a while and allow them to cool. And now move to the next part. You need to roll your dough as thin as possible. Then apply crackers, cherries, and apples on your dough. Then you need to make a roll out of your dough with stuffing inside. Then beat up egg yolk and cover your strudel with it. It will help us to make a golden crust. Heat your oven to 200 degrees and put your strudel there for about 30 minutes.
Bon appétit!